Dayanidhi Maran ji.
Thank you, Speaker, sir. Sir, it's quite a similar question. When the former telecom minister had assured in this House that 4G services and 5G services will be provided to BSNL and MTNL, till date, we have seen no signs of BSNL or MTNL starting 4G services. And in fact, they've been losing customers to Jio, which is supported by the government, where the Prime Minister himself was a poster boy in the photo to advertise. Sir, I would like, it is, sir, yes, Mr. Goyal ji, yes. How can a Prime Minister post? Wait.
No, this is
It is not, I'm stating a fact. I'm stating a fact.
What is this, sir? Let me read the notice. What is this?
Yeah,
It is unfair.
So let me complete my question, sir. Let me complete my question. Oh, Mister, come on.
Sir,
You set up judges.
Sir, the entire corruption took place during his regime. जो कुछ हुआ उनके period
How can he call me corrupt? How can he call me corrupt? How dare he call me corrupt? How dare you? How dare you, man? How dare you? How dare you? He called me corrupt. He called me corrupt. He called me corrupt. He called me corrupt.
They should be taken off, sir.
You cannot. I got a clean sheet. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? Sir.
क्वेश्चन नंबर माननीय सदस्य एक मिनट प्लीज सिट डाउन प्लीज एक मिनट प्लीज कोई रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जा रहा। माननीय सदस्यगण, मेरा प्रश्न में आप सबसे आग्रह है, मैं पूर्व में भी कई बार आग्रह कर चुका हूं, प्रश्न में कोई आरोप प्रत्यारोप न लगाएं, प्रश्न शॉर्ट में पूछे, उस संबंधित जो प्रश्न का है उसके दायरे में पूछे। मैंने पूर्व में कहा था कई बार तेलंगाना का प्रश्न है और आप मध्य प्रदेश के बारे में पूछने लग जाते हैं। अगर कोई राज्य का विषय हो तो राज्य के विषय से संबंधित, लेकिन पॉलिसी क्वेश्चन के एक मिनट, हाँ हमें एक मिनट में बात पूरी बात, क्वेश्चन में पॉलिसी मैटर के बारे में पूछा जाता है ज्यादातर संसद के अंदर कि पॉलिसी मैटर क्या है सरकार ये। हाँ ओके
Sir, let him ask the question we have about whether he has asked.
संसदीय कार्य मंत्री जी,
That question he will reply. Why he should try to allege?
माननीय मंत्री जी जवाब दे दें। माननीय मंत्री जी जवाब दे रहे हैं
Sir,
आपके भावार्थ को समझिए। माननीय मंत्री जी,
honorable member has asked the question about BSNL. Honorable member has asked the question about BSNL 4G services. Very clearly, sir, BSNL is, sir, you asked your question. Now you have to listen to the reply also. You cannot just ask the question and.
मंत्री जी, आप तो मेरी रिकॉर्ड में जाएगा।
Sir,
नो
sir,
आपका
Sir, honorable member has asked the question about BSNL 4G services. Sir, people who have a very different past are trying to put allegations. I would like to understand, sir, what is the reason why BSNL went into such a bad situation? Who are responsible for that, sir? Sir, who is responsible for taking our telecom industry to that kind of situation where the whole world is looking at this? Today, sir, BSNL is coming out of the difficult situation only because Prime Minister Modi ji has taken very, very firm steps on having our own indigenous 4G. We are the first time a government is taking steps to develop our own indigenous 4G and 5G technology, which will be our own 4G, 5G core. We will prove to the world, sir, that Indian engineers, Indian scientists, they are going to develop the best core technology, best radio technology, where our products will go out to the world, sir. Not like the situation when some of our friends, they almost killed the organization because of their own actions.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 143 श्रीमती साजदा अहमद, आपकी सदस्य हैं।
Question 143.